After you have outlined your sun and all your pencil lines and marker, you will begin to color inside your sun using colored pencils. So you can go ahead and begin. And when I'm coloring with colored pencils, I'm coloring very kind of slowly and very thoroughly in the same direction. As you can see, I am keeping pattern. Orange, white, orange, white, orange, white, orange, white. Now I'm going to change that white color to green. So again, I'm going to continue to color. I'm coloring thoroughly, pressing pretty hard to continue to add the color, going in the same direction as I'm coloring. Trying to make it so that I cannot see any white paper. I will cover I will color my entire sun with colored pencil so that it looks something like that. Once I have every part colored in, then I will cut my sun out. Go ahead and just start cutting it out the best that I can, taking my time. And some of you have somewhat complicated rays that are difficult to cut out. So do your best, and sometimes it helps to cut in sections. So cut a little bit and then cut it out, or cut it off. Again, doing the best that I can. Taking my time, going around. It helps to move the paper as I'm cutting. See, I am cutting off sections as I go. And you can always come back and touch something up. If you forget a little piece and you can see some white, you can always go back and cut it off. I'm almost done. The sun. I think there are a few places where I'm going to go back, like this one, and I'm going to cut off that paper so that you cannot see the white paper. If you need help with that, just ask me. After you have your sun completely cut out, put your scraps in the recycling, the red recycling, and then you will get a black piece of construction paper and glue. You will glue your sun in the middle of your paper. I'm going to outline. I'm not using a ton of glue, going around the edges. Again, I'm not using a tiny bit of, using just a little bit of glue, and notice I'm not going all the way up to the edge, just kind of in the middle, and then I'll put a little one in the middle. Put it in the center of your black piece of paper and glue it so that all the rays are secure on your paper. Another thing you can do is you can, once it's glued, turn it over and rub it with this hand on the back. Now we are almost done, but not quite. So go ahead and finish coloring, cutting, and gluing.